Hey there, it's Krista with WTI. Today I'm going to share with you how this beautiful Ecologican's classic stone bath mat set has taken my bathroom space from standard to absolutely beautiful and spa-like. As soon as I opened this packaging, I was enamored. The look of this classic stone set is simple yet classy. The soft, natural gray color really complements our modern organic bathroom decor, but it would also blend seamlessly with other traditional spaces. These mats are made from diatomaceous earth. This is a highly porous material that absorbs water quickly and naturally resists mold and bacteria. The larger mat size is perfect for stepping out of the bath or shower, and it offers plenty of space for both of your feet. Just look at my footprints dry in real time. The smaller caddy and coaster sizes of these mats are great for keeping our vanities dry and clean. We tend to use them for hand soap and other toiletries. Despite what you might imagine stone mats feeling like, they are not cold. They stay at room temperature and they're super gentle and smooth on your skin. The engraved design adds a little bit of slip resistance, and they also come with a perfectly sized rubber pad to prevent any movement. Upkeep of these mats is simple too. We just brush or vacuum any of the dry debris off of them and then wipe them down with a damp cloth. So if you're looking to elevate your post-shower experience, you need to check out this beautiful Ecologican classic stone mat set. And that's my point of view.